Okay, we got a priority mail box. We got a packing slip, all industrial, CXA wedge tool, post set, CNC high precision, quick change, lathe holders, 300 series. So let's look at the quick change tool post first. This is number 250333. And how do you open it? There we go. Just crazy, man. I've done this before. Just bear with me. I just never had a box that was this complicated. Yeah. Wow. Okay, there's a threaded stud for mounting. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Wow. I just gotta say it again. Wow. Okay, let's go over here. This is probably old hack to you guys, but let's see if this is better without this light or not. Wow. That is a wedge type. Okay, let's go ahead, and that would be, how in the hell is it going to mount? It's on the lathe here. Like this. So this is, I'll have to adjust that. This is open and that's locked. So let's check out this threaded rod. I thought it was going to be the mounting rod, but obviously that's going to be much bigger than this. Okay, so we have flats. I guess the flats are going to go on this side. This is just blowing my mind, man. Oh. I mean, look at it compared to my adjustable wrench. That's a 10-inch adjustable wrench. No, I'm lying. Okay, it's a 4-inch adjustable wrench. You're not getting it all on there. This is just nuts. Absolutely crazy. Okay. First, we'll kind of let this soak in. Okay, so we got my my old boring bar holder. Hold up to a 1/2 inch, I think. There's a new one. It weighs about as much as my lathe. All the ground surfaces look really good, feel really good. Everything's chamfered nicely. No sharp edges. Here is my knurling tool for the mini lathe, and of course I have my own method of adjusting the height, which doesn't include any of these settings there. So there's the knurling tool. It's got a spot there for a facing tool, and once again the ground surfaces look really good. And these dovetails, this center section here is a different level. It's ground a little deeper than what the dovetail is. So this center section is not coming in contact. It's only grabbing on the dovetails. And I guess that probably matters. And the dovetail that I made, no such thing. Here's the T7 OXA parting blade holder. Nice grind. Nothing. These probably came from the same people. The new one, I happen to have a couple. I gave some of these away, but I'm sure I can get some more. But once again, you know, it's all as it should be. And all these have a wavy washer on the adjustment nut. And then here is just a standard turning tool holder. And you know, same thing. Everything is now mounting. Here's a 1/2 inch high-speed steel grind. To show off my grind. That is OXA number 1. And this is the CXA 301. And here is the 302 with the brazed carbide tool in it. And this one has a trough machine into the bed here to facilitate round stock to be clamped down in there. And I had the same thing with the small set. How does that go? So I'm a bit overwhelmed. But like I said to you, you know, you guys, this is just a quick change tool post, but this is kind of freaking me out. I actually went, this is a CXA, I actually went for a BXA, might have been a better match for my machine, but I wanted to take advantage of the 1/2 inch tools that I already own, and I'm sure there's some tests I could run on this to see if it's locking back up consistently, same position. But see, I got my I got some copper on my jaws to protect that bottom plate. Now, I am not real impressed with this hardware, and I'm not sure where someone could go wrong in this. But, you know, it's a bit loose. It's almost like I cut the threads. But, you know, once you crank it down, it's going to hold. There's no doubt about that. And, that is crazy, man. You know, I was kind of doing a little research on this lathe. It's a Pratt and Whitney 12x30 Model B. There's another designation, M1395. These lathes were produced between 1942 and 1947. Before 1942, they were making a 13-inch by 30, 18, and 30 and beyond and up. I think there were three lathes, 3 different lengths. But when I searched YouTube for the Model B, there's one video clip, and the guy's using a ball turner, and it shows him using that for 20 or 30 seconds, and that's the extent of the entire video. So, you know how prolific I am on making videos. Retired guy, all kinds of time on his hands, neglects his household duties to make videos. I'm going to be the only one making videos of this machine, and probably the only one interested in watching them. At least for the content, the technical content. You know, whatever problems arise, we'll solve them, and we're going to have a lot of fun with this. And I just can't believe the size of this tool post, this tool changer. You know, I've been into into machine shops, and I've seen this tool post holder on machines and noted how big it was. But when it's on my bench, sitting next to my mini lathe tool holders, it's made quite a different impact, and it's made quite an impact, period. It's got me very anxious, very, if I could leave tonight, you know, I could be there in the morning to put that thing on my trailer right when they open. I drilled a hole in the concrete floor over where it's likely to end up being, and I got at least 5 inches of concrete that will be underneath this machine. So It's not a whole lot in machine standards, but it's better than 3 inches. It's what I have, so, you know. Okay, guys, thanks for coming along. We're going to have some time here. Okay? Take care.